Hi everyone, welcome back to the world of information. Review of 2025 Toyota SERA. Exterior. The 2025 Toyota SERA maintains the signature butterfly doors, paying homage to the original model. It features a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette with sharp lines and a sporty stance. Lighting. LED headlights and taillights provide a modern touch, while the daytime running lights enhance visibility. Wheels. Stylish alloy wheels with a range of sizes and designs to choose from, adding to the car's sporty appeal. Paint options. A variety of vibrant and classic colors, including metallic and pearlescent finishes. Interior. High-quality materials such as leather, alcantara, and soft-touch plastics create a premium feel. Comfort. Ergonomically designed seats with ample support and adjustability for both driver and passengers. Technology. A large infotainment touchscreen with the latest connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Space. Despite its compact size, the SERA offers decent cabin space with clever storage solutions. Fuel efficiency. The 2025 SERA is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain, combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor to optimize fuel efficiency. Regenerative braking. This system helps recharge the battery during braking, further enhancing efficiency. Expected mileage, around 50-60 miles per gallon, mpg, making it an economical choice for daily driving. Engine performance. A combination of a 1.5-liter gasoline engine and an electric motor provides a balance of power and efficiency. Total output, estimated to be around 150-180 horsepower, offering spirited performance for a car of its size. Transmission. Continuously variable transmission, CVT, for smooth acceleration and seamless gear changes. Driving dynamics. Improved suspension and chassis dynamics ensure responsive handling and a comfortable ride. Price. Base model, expected to start around $35,000. Higher trims. With added features and luxury options, the price can go up to $45,000 or more.